year there was an increase in the time. And hats off to the doctors and paramedics and nurses of this hospital and all across Jammu and Kashmir, particularly this hospital. I am in praise in all of you. It's done globally. It is done globally in the patient care, not to किसी को परेशान करने और ये करने को. किस तरह से आपने adapt और implement किया है, absolute hats off. I am proud of you as part of the team. As your team leader, I am proud of you for having lived up to our expectations. कोई एक मरीज बाहर ये नहीं बोलता, you must in Dr. Time Hospital. Everybody is saying, जनाब, डॉक्टरों को वायरस केयर, नर्सों को वायरस केयर, पैरामेडिक्स को केयर, and they are coming on time. Now we keep waiting for patients to turn up. You are here before that. It's a great reflection on your work ethic. It's a great reflection on your work ethic. Hats off to that. And last but not the least, जैसे मैंने आपसे अर्ज किया, please specialize. जब तक आप आने वाले वक्त में specialize नहीं करेंगे और अपने skill को किसी एक मखसूस चीज़ की तरफ, if I have 5 nurses who are IVF specialists, my human resource gap is addressed. If I have 5 nurses here who are gynae malignancies and specialize in that gynae malignancies के treatment में, my human resource gap is इस LD hospital का नाम आगे चल के इसमें 4 चांद लगने चाहिए. इसका नाम खुदा न खास्ता हम में से किसी एक की वजह से खराब नहीं होना चाहिए. LD hospital for brand, it's a brand. The whole country knows about it. So I was talking to somebody in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. They know about LD hospital. They are aware of LD hospital. अच्छा ये LD में होता है, वो मुझे पता है LD में होता है. कोई पेशेंट एक गई थी अभी ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट, उसको वहाँ HOD ने पूछा तुम यहाँ क्यों आई हो, तुम LD हॉस्पिटल जाना चाहिए था, वहाँ तो ये सब होता है. ये है तुम लोगों की रेपुटेशन सिस्टर जी, तो उसको अपनी रेपुटेशन को सेव करना. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's a pleasure for me to be here on the occasion of World Nursing Day. So all of us work together, and it is important that we appreciate the unparalleled work that our nursing staff does, especially in situations where everybody is afraid. They are their work is always unparalleled. Like we have all been witness to the work that they did in COVID time. They risked their lives, and didn't bother about their families, but were devoted to the patient. There were enormous number of pregnant women who had COVID too and would come to LD hospital. And our nurses never shirked their duties. So we owe a lot to them. At the same time, in day-to-day life, the workload of LD hospital is enormous. And our nursing staff here is always at the forefront, standing shoulder to shoulder with the doctors and rendering their services.
We celebrated to honor and felicitate our dedicated nursing staff. They are the spine of health institution, and without their valuable contribution and selfless service, patient care would just be near about impossible. They have always risen to the occasion in emergencies, natural disasters and epidemics. His ability to interact with the members of the medical fraternity at all levels has been instrumental in solving issues and improving the work ethic of our health institutions. Sir, your interest in all aspects of hospital management, be it sanitation, upkeep of infrastructure and patient care delivery, highlights your dedication to service and empathy for the human kind.
Expressing gratitude on behalf of LD administration, nurses of LD hospital, paramedical staff, multipurpose workers, faculty, postgraduate department of obstetrics and gynecology, we all thank you for time and again keeping LD hospital on your priority bucket list and taking time out in helping us prioritize patients.
the hospital administration.